Dear student, after graphical presentation of existence of special like interaction terms, yes, special factor or special determinants in your model. Now we are going to estimate the least square and spatial regression and easily compare the findings of both the models, and also we can easily find which model is the best and why. You have the idea of spatial regression in which the important thing is to find the coefficient of w कि अगर हम जियोग्राफिकल वेट्स उसको देते हैं और उसकी बेस पे देखते हैं कि वेदर हमारे जो मॉडल है इसमें जियोग्राफिकल फैक्टर या उसमें स्पेशल फैक्टर इंक्लूड है या नहीं है। तो उसके लिए हम इन दोनों जो रिग्रेशंस हैं उनको हम कंपेयर करेंगे एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंपैरिजन हम डिटेक्ट करेंगे विच वन इज़ द बेस्ट। सेकेंडली, you have the idea, I have already shared with you the data from 1995 to 2000 और उसमें you have the data on population density, immigration, in migration and out migration, and on the basis of these statistics there are 1 to 15 neighborhoods जो जिनको हम कह सकते हैं these are the districts, these are the like counties, these are the provinces, these are the countries, whatever you want you can use. Here is the table and you have the data from nearest neighbors from 6 to 14 कि उन पे कितना impact हो रहा है. You have the model probability whether these changes are significant or insignificant. You have the difference in log marginals and जो difference है ये indicate करेगा how much the neighbor is impacting on your dependent variable. एंड इसको किस तरह हम इंटरप्रेट करेंगे, यू हैव द वैल्यू। इसके लिए जेफरीज एक स्केल डेवलप हुआ है और वो बताता है कि इफ़ द रेंज लाइज फ्राम 0 to 1.15 it shows very slight evidence in favor of model 1 versus model 2, and if the value range is 1.15 to 3.45 it means there is slight evidence, and 3.45 to agreement a strong evidence कि ये strongly impact कर रहा है. It means that as the number or range or the difference is going to increase, the intensity is going to increase. इस तरह हम इसको इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं कि हमारा नंबर किस रेंज में है, वेदर वो फर्स्ट रेंज में 0 to 1.15 लाइक आ रहा है या इट्स इंक्रीजिंग फ्रॉम 1.15 to 3.45 और 3.45 to 4.60 या 4.60 एंड ऑनवर्ड हो रहा है कि आप कौन सा डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, वेदर इट्स इन द फेवर ऑफ मॉडल 1 और इट्स इन द फेवर ऑफ मॉडल 2. इसको हम कंपेयर करेंगे. देन उसके लिए अगेन दो टूल्स हैं, जो क्राइटेरियाज हैं वो गिवन है, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ गिवन क्राइटेरिया यू कैन यूज द मॉडल्स ऑफ लाइक सिंपल लीस्ट स्क्वेयर, सिंपल OLS and spatial regression, and on the basis of spatial regression you have the like data in this table. You have the spatial regression and you have the OLS finding, you have the coefficient, and on the basis of the value of rho, which is very much important over here, and the rho value is 0.68, which is significantly different from 0, means rho is not equal to 0, and this is significantly different from 0. Number 2, if you are going to compare the R square, and in both the models, in OLS R square is only 0.35 while it's 0.49, which is significantly different from the simple OLS model. So on the basis of these findings you can easily find, yes, there is a impact of spatial analysis, there are geographical impact, there is impact of neighbors and so on. तो उसकी basis पे last thing के on the basis of spatial analysis you can find the impact of geography कि क्या on the basis of population density in migration zones and out migration zones में कोई फर्क है या नहीं है, whereas the OLS is unable to detect the geographical factor. तो इसलिए ये आपने इनको कंपेयर करना है, and on the basis of comparison you can easily explain which model is the best.